Lily? You want to say hi to Grandma? Lilies? What are those silly faces you're making? What are those silly faces you're making? What are those silly faces you're making? No? You're shaking your head no at me. Already. Already telling me no. What do you think, Lillers? What are you thinking, Lillers? It's getting big. You are just wide awake. You saying hi to Grandma?
That was cool, huh?
Hey, Lilies. Hey, Lilies.
How do you break that thing?
Lilies, make some funny faces for us. Make some funny faces for us. Hey, what are you thinking?
No, it's a smell. I can only do
What's up, chicken butt?
turns.
You got your arms free, so you're flailing them all over the place. What is it, Lilies? Are you giggling? Were you just giggling? Yuck, look at that tongue.
Let's have a deathmatch, see who can last longer.
Do you have bad breath? You need to get some mouthwash. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Lilies.
Back and forth.
Where's that wind coming from? You feel that wind? Do you feel that wind? What do you think about that wind? Every time I stop recording her, she does like the little giggly thing.